At the restaurant.
Hello, welcome to our restaurant. Hello, welcome to our restaurant.
Thank you. Can I see the menu, please? Thank you. Can I see the menu, please?
Sir, here you go. Sir, here you go.
I'll have the grilled chicken with rice. I'll have the grilled chicken with rice.
Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a glass of orange juice, please. Yes, a glass of orange juice, please. At the fast food restaurant. Hi, may I take your order? Hi, may I take your order?
Yes, I'd like a cheeseburger and fries. Yes, I'd like a cheeseburger and fries.
Would you like a drink with that? Would you like a drink with that?
Yes, a small cola, please. Yes, a small cola, please.
That'll be $5.55. That'll be $5.55. At a cafe. Good afternoon. What can I get for you? Good afternoon. What can I get for you?
I'd like cappuccino and a chocolate muffin. I'd like cappuccino and a chocolate muffin.
For here or to go? For here or to go?
To go, please. To go, please. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please? Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right away. Of course, I'll bring it right away.
Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
Great, thank you. Great, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Follow for more.